So let's take a moment to create this bracelet or weave. And like everything we do, it might look complicated, but then we find out it's actually really, really simple. So let's go and look at our class files. And in our class files, we'll see a file called CrossWeave, CrossWeave01. So I'm going to go out and open this CrossWeave. And again, you can see the picture of it right there. And double click on CrossWeave. And there we go. And all we have to do is go out here underneath the Add button, and there's something called Sweep. So we're going to click on the Sweep button, and this form comes up. And we'll say, we're going to need this form in a minute, but for right now, we don't need it. So I'll just hit OK. And what I do then is I just click on the big circle, anywhere, and make sure it's on the circle. You click on the big circle, and then you go and click on any of the little circles. And again, you've got to click on the circle, right on the edge of the circle. And then we don't want to hit finish. This is where we want to see the form again. So I'll pull this down here, and so right here there's this swept protrusion options form. So I click on that, and down towards the bottom it says number of turns. So we come all the way down, number of turns, and I'm going to change this to, say, 3. We hit 3 and hit OK. And there it is. Now if I just hit the right mouse key, I'll stay in the command. And I go back and pick the big circle again, anywhere on the big circle, and then I go and pick a little circle. Oh, sorry, I've got to check it off first. I've got to say, yep, I want the big circle, then the little circle. And it says, wow, do I want to finish? Nope. I can right mouse click and I can pick on the big circle again. Then I check it off and I go and pick on another circle right on the edge. Now say we mess up and I get out and I go, uh-oh, I only have 3 but I have 1 more. You can go back and start again here and say go back to the sweep. If everything gets messed up, hit escape. You can always open the file again and start all over. But I hit escape, I go back here and say go back to the sweep command. And I don't want to see the form on the first one. Hit OK, I don't need it now. So then I go back to my form and say, okay, I want to pick on my circle anywhere. Pick on the circle. And then I pick on the little circle. And then I go out to the form and it says number of turns. And I click on that, it's already on 3, and I hit OK. And then I can hit finish and I can fit the view, turn off all the dimensions and things. We can go out to high quality, part painter. And maybe on a feature I'll go and change the colors.